Yes, guys. So me have to go like this. Bad.
What that cream?
Bad.
Wicked.
What's up, my beautiful people? This is a boy Greg from the device you know what? Oh, you know what I mean? One Canadawalkby TV. Make sure you guys you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, share the video. You know what I mean? And the guys, remember, once you subscribe, you cannot subscribe again. As I keep on saying to every person that come on the channel for the first time, just subscribe. Do that. Wait until you watch a couple of videos, then you say you're going to subscribe. Just subscribe right away if you're a newcomer. And for the all returnee, you only can subscribe one time. Please don't subscribe again once you subscribe to the channel already. You know what I mean? Yeah. So today here we're going to do epic cooking today. Something what I want to do for this long time, but I never really get a chance to do it. But today we're gonna accomplish that journey. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook some food. We call it back in Jamaica they call it all in one, and they call it Pacas and the I think 2 names. You know what I mean? We use the native coconut and cook everything together in one. But I'm going to use saltfish for my one. You can use other meat kinds, the chicken, whatever you want to use, you can use it. But I like to use saltfish, so that's what I'm going to do. You know what I mean? And guys, remember, like, share, subscribe, share the video then. Make sure you watch the video. Don't think about, oh, the video is too long. Say, I can't bother watch so, but no, man. All I have to do, even if 7 minutes are tired, just watch it. You know what I mean? Just don't click and come off. Just watch the video. You know what I mean? Big promise that the one will be good. So make sure you watch one, guys. Do the right thing. And just share it to all platforms that you have. You know what I mean? Just focus on what you do. Believe in yourself. You know what I mean? Remember, I say, focus. Negativity, don't work on yourself. But we use positivity and kill negativity. You know what I mean? So that we are going to do. So let the body stop. I'm going to show the food them. What I'm going to use. That is one provision. Yeah, man, I'm going to show you everything. As you can see now. Over here, we have the sweet corn, we have the pumpkin. As you can see, pumpkin, sweet corn. Breadfruit, that is a must. This is the coconut I'm going to use. So I'm going to use 2 coconut because now what I'm going to do, the coconut juice, that's what we're going to use to cook the food. So we need a lot coconut juice to be like enough to cook the food, I should say. So we don't really want to use like just water, no. Coconut juice we want to use. So that we're going to do. So over here now, you have banana, you have cocoa, we have a good yellow yam. And then here we have the season. So everything is combined in one. If you feel me, you know what I mean? So you have the onion, you have scallion, you have thyme, you have tomato, and you have the bell pepper, but the red one. You know what I mean? And again, where now we have the flour with the cornmeal. So we just combine everything. So guys, stay tuned, man. But this is the one I got nice, man. Now ask Christ. Alright? And also guys, the saltfish here. So the saltfish, actually what we do, we put in the water for soak. Give me about 2 hours. So I'm going to boil it off now. And then everything will combine in the one pot after this boil off. Just to get rid of some of the excess salt. Yeah, that's what we do the way here. Alright? So welcome back, guys. For the first timers who come on the channel and you do not know my name, this is the boy Greg. So welcome back to Canadawalkby TV. So the first procedure what we're gonna do now is to cut up the coconut to get it blend, to get it started for the pot. So as I can see, I already took the coconut from out the shell. So I'm just gonna cut it up in pieces, then get it in the blender. Alright, so just watch the process, guys. As you can see. As I said, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and believe in yourself, guys. Don't let no one stop you. This encourage you. You know what I mean? Because if you don't believe in yourself, no one gonna believe in you. You know what I mean? So whatever you're doing, just be focused and be positive. Yeah, man, be persistent and just do what you want to do, and you can actually be whatever you want to be in life. Yeah, man. So, guys, blending time, you know. So you can see, adding the coconut. I mean, I'll put in everything at one time because you know, you don't want to flow with the thing with the can to blend up properly. So put in that, so. And then, yeah, man. Yeah, really coconut juice, you know. Just watch it, stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Remember, if you watch the video, no matter what about the video too long, you will be 7 minutes or die. Watch it. You know what I mean? And then blend up the juice, then I go strain it in, strain the pot. You know what I mean? So I think you have to do like 2 segments of blending. Yeah. Yes, guys. So this is the process now. So as rinse out the strainer. So this is the strainer. I don't know what maybe in some other country where you guys call it, but we call it strainer, you know. So this is we use the strainer for juice. So avoid the trash from the coconut to coming through. So just the juice alone gonna extract. I mean not extract my bad word. Come through here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna add it to the pot. So as you can see in the pot. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, so this is it. This is what I'm doing. You know, so I'm gonna actually squeeze out the juice. Just in the pot, I go on the pot. Yeah. So this is it, man. So this is natural coconut juice, you know. No additivity, no preservative, nothing at all. The juice is natural, rich and natural, you know. Yeah. This is how we do it. So maybe I'm going to do a second blend. So you can see, but for now, I'm going to put it right here. Right? Because I'm maybe use it back. Use back the rest of the with a second blend. So, but for now, let me get some water in this. You know? So I'm going to blend the rest of coconut right here. Some more water in it. Alright. So, yeah. So the rest of coconut, I'm going to add it to the blender. The cover feet, you know. So that's it, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So do the right thing, guys. Follow the channel, grow the channel, subscribe because it's your first time as you come on the channel, just subscribe. You know what I mean? It's really good. You know what I mean? Just share to all the platforms, your WhatsApp, your YouTube, your Instagram, your Facebook, whatever platform you can share that, just share it. That's your contribution to the channel, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I respect to all the returning. You can watch the channel and grow with me. Yeah, man, with respect, I just a big up sir. And just yesterday, and I end up the thing. Just buy for friend, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. You got yourself, man. And you get two guys one here too. Pick them up too. And then you got to them out what you think, you know what I mean? And you like what I do. You know what I mean? One Canadawalkby TV. There's no other Canadawalkby TV. So just do the right thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And just stay tuned and watch the total. You know what I mean? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Come back. Yeah, man. So now we start to do the food, man. Now, so we get them going there party now, cause the thing about up already. In the matter of fact, guys, you know what? I'm trying to show you guys what's going on. This is how it look. So what happened is it's gonna boil on like to a custard, like. You know what I mean? Yeah. And the saltfish already is called off already. So just waiting to pick up, prepare it, and put it in the pot. So I'm say, yeah. Remember, guys, let's do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Cause the one not go bad. When I go off for the hook. So watch the process, guys. So now I'm gonna do the breadfruit, you know, and the rest are going provision. Right? So get my breadfruit peel. See, breadfruit skin, you can if you don't know what you're doing, you have to know exactly what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you cut the knife, it's kind of hard, you know. So you have to know how to slide the knife under the bottom of it to actually get off the skin. Alright, so I have some running water here, so meanwhile, so slice up the breadfruit. You know what I mean? Actually, want to bite this, you know, because you want to eat breadfruit. Alright, so this is the pieces them. Yeah. You can actually cut out if you want, you know, you can cut out more ready made if you want. That's how it go. Alright, so that's the breadfruit. Now getting the yellow yam now. Check out that, so that's not good. Everything is a process, you know, guys. You know? Yeah, man. Kind of looking at 200, but alright, still. You know, we now get the fresh produce them like that, you know. So we have to just work it out we get over years, isn't it? The time you just put them in the sink, the time you want to finish now, we just clean out the sink. Alright. Yeah, man. That part of young, I'm like, you know, 200, but it's alright. I go part tight, you know, cut out it. Yep. That's how it goes, you know. You put the milk go on. That's some cool water, right? With the right time beat. But if I could ask, yes, I'm peel off it. But if I want to show you guys what I do. Yeah. Yes, I could have just peel it nice thing, but you guys see what exactly what I do, you know, me. So this is cocoa, you know, guys. You know, once I cook food, yeah, I always have to cook my cocoa in my while, you know. Yeah. So these are more like harder food to cook. Alright? So you cut out these one first. Alright? That's more harder. Sweet corn. Just bust it in 3 pieces like that. sure you think in the pot, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, banana. As you can see, just peel everything I put in the pan and say that, and then add in if you add in, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So my green banana, you know. You have to get the ice skin, you can't cook in the ice skin. It's because this is the all in one. But you can't cook banana ice skin, you cook all in one. Because you cook banana alone, you can just, you know, if you feel lazy, you don't want to take off the skin. But you cook all in one now. You have to take off the skin. So that's that, guys. Alright. Some pumpkin is here. But me now put in the pumpkin right now, cause you know that gonna easy to mash out. So that go in there, but me just have to prepare it. You see me? Yeah, man. So I put up everything and show you. What you see? Pumpkin everything cut up. You see me? Yes, guys. Everything. You can see that, you know. So what I'm gonna do now? I go take out the one them where I pot now. That's what I'm gonna do. I bet like the banana and the pumpkin stay for last. So you will see what me adding them, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna add in the food now. Alright, so breadfruit. I must have now put in the pumpkin as it. Cause they're kind of soft for the breadfruit and the cocoa. Wow, sorry. All the chocolate man, guys. Give her a little burn, you know. So you got some time. That I am, you know. Add in them, they go on. Sweet corn. Yeah. But this one peel up everything one time, you know, but now add everything same time. Yeah, man. So breadfruit and the cocoa, the sweet corn and the yam. Yeah, add in. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna do the dumpling now. So add a little salt in it. That's cool. Then I go do it. Can I mix up it? Cornmeal and white and flour together. Right? And wash everything, guys. Wash up man already. So you don't mix it around, you know. Actually, you're making a dough. So now, guys, we're going to add in the banana and the rest of food, you know what I mean? You can see pumpkin, everything are going now. Banana, pumpkin. And those are more softer provision, you know what I mean? So you put in them, you know, when you put in the yam and stuff, because you don't mash out too much, isn't it? So yeah, man, so I add it there now. So next step, I'm the season and the saltfish I'm going to add. Yeah, man, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, as you can see, guys, my saltfish already picked up. So I'm just gonna put up the season and add everything to the pot now. Everything I'm gonna add. These are already washed off already, so I'm just gonna cut everything on the one board and just scrape off everything in the pot. That's it, you know. So put up my bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. We want it colorful and full of flavor, you know. You see me? Sweet pepper, your tomato. You just cut off a little part here, so. You know what I mean? That's the little, what they call it, the stem part. Yeah, cut off that. Then you just cut it up, you know. Yeah. Knife, because I don't want it to be sharp, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. And my honey and, let me say, the one pot, you know. As you can see. Everything I go in that pot. You see me? So my green onion, aka scallion, and I just put like that. You know what I mean? That's some time. Just put like that. And my one pepper, you know. Put a piece of add pepper, you know. Yeah. Ah, nice flavor. Yes, guys, I'm back with the finishing of a pot right now. Everything ready and now it's time to eat. So I'm gonna share. You see, guys, you guys see what's going on, man. Yo, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Yeah, man. So, yo, guys, rich and nice. Everything gonna get mashed out, you know. See, as I say, you know what? Woo. Magic, it's a coconut juice. My God. Can't wait. So watch what I go on. I'm going to show you food now, guys. So stay tuned. Yes, guys. So I have to go like skim all over certain food, you know, because you want to eat certain things. Alright, guys. So dumpling. She know the breadfruit and something. So I'm going to feel like the yam. Turn off the stove, guys. Woo!
Smell good, man.
I'm going to tell you.
Guys, I can't wait to dive in.
Pick up his Antoine. So I like saltfish them. Because I pepper for this guy, you know, he gonna start cry. See the guys. Woo. Banana get soft up, man. Chicken to the banana there. Yeah, give me some now, guys. John told them. You know what I mean? So see it? My one different, you know, cause me. Yes, guys. Time for dive in on my one, you know. Yeah.
I'll use spoon.
Yeah, cause it's like a thick gravy looking in this. Me I say, I wanna fuck, man. This will be eating a pot, you know, me cook. Time, you don't like time, you know.
First may eat this, we call it?
All in one or pakasa.
All in one.
All in one or pakasa.
All in one.
All in one. Any name you more familiar with or
so this
easy to call?
Cornmeal dumpling.
Yeah, man, with saltfish. The pakasa with saltfish, you know.
pumpkin,
Yeah.
dumpling, corn.
Yeah, man. Breadfruit.
I know breadfruit.
I know. Breadfruit, cocoa. This guy's my first taste, you know?
I'm diving in now, guys. I'm telling you what tastes different to me, but
Bad.
coconut cream,
Bad.
good feeling. Really nice. Different. I never thought I would like it because it didn't look pleasant.
You look appealing to him. So you go, man. That's all you want to cook, man.
The only thing I don't like, I didn't get my banana. It matches all the banana. Well, tastes good, right?
Just imagine if I'm putting it from banana from early. In the reverse. You get one of them 2 pieces. So I know, if this for dry done, all I food will go get soft out. You know what I mean? So I didn't know.
I tell you the truth, it tastes really good. Honestly. Real nice.
Coconut juice, you know, man. Natural coconut juice. So I cut the coconut and blend it.
Really good.
Bad, man.
Bad, I tell you.
So the breadfruit walls.
Yeah.
Walls in my night, you know? Gravy does nice, you know? Juice.
Yeah, come and get some, guys.
Nice.
Wicked.
The one you have bad.
And a banger.
You can, some people use a callaloo, you know. You can put callaloo in it. Yeah, some put callaloo in it.
Very good.
Let me tell you. Half it up. Yeah, man.
It's a banger. See?
That's what I say. Believe in yourself, you know? Yeah, man. I mean, but it's not the man. That's the most important thing in life. Believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody can believe in you. You know? So you must know what you can do, you see me? You know, like my foot is on. I never get the time.
I just decide today.
And there's so many other things I plan cook. You know, other people say I cook it. I said, me go cook, you know, you come back at them, you follow. Which me have it in intention long time for me just started. I'm still not cooking. You see me? But I still got to do it when I care. I have an intention. I tell her, I say, the Esco Beach fried chicken. I from me just start channel. And one day, the other day, I say, my guy cooking. But she's okay. Because I'm a good guy. Because my son, when again, climax. I think I climb up this cookie. When I met the Joe and said, look how I say, I do Esco Beach fried chicken. And Esco Beach saltfish. And I'm nickel at the kitchen, I say go cookie Esco Beach saltfish. I say, look, if I that channel, I say, me go cook them then do something. You know? But some of the things same because I think same. That's how you go. But I still go to them, you know. But there's some more things I cook to you, but I don't talk you out, you know. You see me? Because we tell you, anything at all we do, you guys are no man. You are involved, you guys in man. See me? This man will say, alright, this me mess up this morning. You see me? Make sure no breakfast, not because I don't want to float my stomach because this me say I never leave it today.
Guys, I'm a very picky eater. Very. But I really like this. Really good. Coming like rundown.
They can't even talk to his feet. That's weird. I'm not lying. Trust me. You see anything coconut juice, half it tastes good. Once you cook it the right way and season it the right way, trust me, half it tastes good, man. When back home in Jamaica, I must see it whole heap, man. Everything coconut juice. So I turn my Cornmeal. Coconut juice.
And I'm not a coconut juice person.
Healthy, but it's healthy, you know. Just stay tuned, guys. Remember to do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Make sure you watch the video and share them on every platform. And if you're a newcomer, guys, as they come, just subscribe. But wait. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, just press the subscribe button, man, and press the notification button and say, and time you drop a video, they get it right away. Yes, me I say? Yeah, man, so just do the right thing, man. Share on all of the platform where you have WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform, TikTok, what you can share, just share. You know what I mean? Just grow with me, yes, me I say? And the whole respect for the returning them. What did they have on day one with me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Yes, me I say? Yeah. Kirk, and again, big you up again, youth. Vibe a friend, you see me I say, yeah man, meet up with the today, yeah, tell me say, yo, you know, left out the thing, you see me I say, if a visitor come to your house, first you jump on your YouTube channel, yeah, watch it, you see me I say, yeah, tell them what I go on, and show them. So, all respect for that, man, for endorse the thing, you see me I say, yeah man, and all of the guys, YouTube, and them give me a strength. All the respect and love, see me. Like Jamaica walk by and Cosmo. Big up on yourself, you see me I say? Yeah man.
We're coming to you right from our living room. We're in your living room and your bedroom. I know you're there watching us.
It's a jelly talk.
And guys, you guys know that Bingy's out of the hospital now.
Yeah man, big Bingy.
Thank God, big up Bingy. Still keep praying for him still.
Yeah man,
but he's out now. And we give God
speedy recovery, you know. Big up yourself, youth. That could have worse, you know. You see me? But no man know what tomorrow gonna be, yeah, man. So that's why you just have to live good and just do the right thing, you see me, sir? Yeah, man. Today we good and tomorrow we disappear. I just life. So life set up, you see me? Yeah, man. So no shout out to the Walking TV family, you know. So guys, just do the right thing, guys. Okay. Food done. Well done, man.
It's good, isn't it?
So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, you know, all you guys' time. Yeah. And, you know, just do the right thing, as I said, you know. Keep support me. Keep watching the channel. Don't say that the video is too long. Even 7 minutes of that, watch it. If you can watch out like the whole entire video, just make sure you watch at least if it's 7 minutes out of the video. You know what I mean? I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Because the watch time is really, really, really important, and it's hard to reach your watch time. There's 4,000 watch time you have to get it. You know what I mean? So yeah. And the subscribe, very important again too. I'm trying to reach 1,000K, but I'm like halfway on the journey. You know what I mean? Because like 500 and something, you know what I mean? So enough thanks, man. I really appreciate that. You know what I mean? So share the video, guys, as me say. And like for the returning guys, when I put a video out, once you subscribe already, don't subscribe again. Subscribe is for the newcomers. Only newcomers who just come on the channel, subscribe. You know what I mean? If I'm watching on the television, just go on the phone and type in Canadawalkby TV and subscribe. If you can't subscribe from the television, yes, may I say? Go on your phone and type in Canadawalkby TV. Bam, and subscribe. And make sure you press the notification button that means as a video drop, you get it. You know what I mean? So, thanks again, guys.